Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 25. This is Section 2.1, Problem 25. It says convert the mixed number 1 3/4 to an improper fraction. So by improper fraction, we mean a fraction that has a larger numerator than denominator. Or in other words, the top's bigger than the bottom. So to do that sort of a conversion, coming from the denominator to the whole number in front, we will multiply. And when we multiply, that'll be 4 times 1, which is just simply 4. And we take the result that we got, which is 4, and then we go up towards the numerator and we add. So the 4 that we got as a result of 4 times 1 added to the 3, which is the numerator, 4 and 3 more is 7. And then whatever we had as a denominator in the mixed number just remains the same denominator in the improper fraction. So it was a 4, it stays a 4. And the final answer is 7/4, 7/4. So 1 3/4 is equivalent to 7/4.